Hi there, I hope you're doing well. Did you know that we have a great tool that you can use to celebrate milestones and reward your students with? Our experience here at Literacy Planet is that students love a bit of friendly competition and that it can be a very powerful motivator in their learning journey. And to help with that, we have two leaderboards. You may have seen one or the other already. We have the big global one. It's on our website right here when you scroll down. It gets updated weekly, and you can see here which LP schools have been using the platform the most in the past week. Maybe you can find your school on it as well. But we also have a leaderboard tool within the actual platform that you can use with your students and in your classroom. We've already done the work for you, so you can just focus on your teaching and let us do the work. And let me just quickly show you how you can use it and where to find it. So you're going to log into the platform and then head over to the tools section in the teacher experience and then select the leaderboard. You can then choose the group you want to see. My demo account doesn't have that many options in here. Please excuse that. You can also select the dates you want to check out the results for. And after that, you can just simply click the icon. Oh, as you can see, there's leaderboard certificates and participation certificates. And you can just simply click the icon next to the student you want to select a certificate for. That's going to just go with her. It will take a couple of seconds to generate the certificate. If your internet is as slow as mine today, it will take a couple of seconds longer. There we go. And then you can just open that and there you go. It's personalized. It has the score on it. And yeah, these certificates, they're just perfect for setting up a class reward system or just to celebrate milestones with your students. You can also share them with parents if you want to show what progress their kids are making. I hope this helps.